This is our deck, and we were having some issues. There's a few holes, there's some warping, a little bit of movement when we walk on it. So we decided we would pull up the surface and take a look at what was happening with the substructure. Once we got the surface removed, we saw that most of the substructure was buried. The guy who did the flip on the house didn't take the time to dig up all the dirt and support it properly. So there was a lot of rotting, as you can see here. There's rotting substructure, and we decided that most of it had to be replaced. So we pulled up all of the surface of the deck, and we're going to replace the substructure, do some bracing, and replace it with a composite decking material. Well, that's our new deck, and thank you for watching. If you want to see something more, watch my time lapse on building a wall.